what's the difference between good companies and great companies? So we talked about this big, hairy, audacious goal, like something that makes you uncomfortable, but it's possible. I have no idea how we're going to do it, but it doesn't mean it's not possible. I'm with all of you today, right now. Steve can attest to this. When Steve and I started working together 4 or 5 years ago, this wasn't even a pipe dream. It wasn't even in my realm. Eventually it was, yeah, I'd love to do something like that. No idea how to do it. It didn't exist except here. And of course, then it started to exist on a piece of paper. Then I started to share it. Steve, we're going to do this one day. He's probably like, yeah, whatever. I'll believe it when I see it. Well, yeah, you will believe it when you see it, but I got to believe it first. See, one of your primary roles, and I mean primary roles, as the leader, as the owner of your company, is the visionary of your company. No one can take that role from you. I can't, as a guide, or Steve, or Michelle. Your PT can't, your clinical director can't, your aide can't, your spouse can't. You get the pleasure and the opportunity of creating that vision. And you want your vision to be so that it makes you a little or a lot uncomfortable. Because if your vision doesn't make you uncomfortable, it's not big enough. Because your vision should be something you could already figure out literally in your head how you're going to do it. You shouldn't know how to do it yet. That's what's the fun part. Our jobs isn't necessarily to create the how. Our job is to make up a picture of what it's going to be like a year from now, 3 years from now. Why is that important other than the reasons that we gave? It helps with alignment, it helps with direction, it helps with focus.